Hi, welcome to Plate It. I'm Mark, and today we're cooking a nice country sausage biscuit recipe. I hope you'll enjoy it. It's very tasty and it's very savory. So let's go. Let's get started with it. We're just teasing you here right now. We're going to go ahead and drop down 4 slices of hickory smoked bacon and cook them down. We're going to use the oil from it to cook the sausage in and flavor the recipe throughout. We're going to use the bacon as well. After we cook it, we'll chop it up and incorporate it with the sausage as well. All right, let's take those out and put some pork sausage in here. You can use any pork sausage that you like. We're just happen to be using an all-natural type of pork sausage here. There's no MSG in it or anything like that. And we'll season the sausage as well with the bacon grease. Chop this up really fine. We don't want too many lumps of sausage in our gravy, but you'll be able to see the sausage in it. We'll cook this all the way through. Once it's cooked all the way through, we'll add the bacon that we cooked previously and then just kind of combine everything together before we take it out to drain it. So once that's cooked all the way through, we went ahead and just got a little wire rack here and just kind of drained the oil out and back into the skillet. So we want to go ahead and take the meat out right now because we're gonna saute some vegetables, just the onions and the garlic. We'll do it in that order as well. So first we just add a pat of butter, about a half a stick of butter down in here. And then toss in the onions over top to soften them up. You don't have to get them translucent or anything like that. Just soften them up a little bit. And once they're softened up halfway, we toss in the garlic because the garlic is going to add more flavor to it as well. And the onion and the garlic can cook in there together. After you got the onion cooked a little bit. You don't want to burn the garlic and spoil the meal. So again, you just want to make sure that you stir and combine everything together. And you can see it's cooking down, and all we're using is the oil from the bacon, the oil from the sausage right now, and we're gonna add the flour into this because you've got the butter in there and the oils, the vegetables, and now if you can remember back when we did the gumbo recipe, which is blown up totally on our channel, you can see that we're making a roux. We are just combining everything. We've got the temperature about a medium right now, and then we combined about 4 tablespoons of flour into this. I'm using a wooden spoon, and I'm just keep stirring. Don't stop stirring. Never get tired of it because you're kind of combining everything together right now. And it's starting to get a little darker, and that's what you want to see. You know you're doing the right thing now, and you're developing that gravy. Now we added a total of about 2 cups of milk, just regular milk, not 2%, just regular milk. and about a quarter cup of half and half at the end, just to smooth everything out and get it the nice gravy consistency that we want it. So you got to slowly add the milk in. You don't have to add it in all at once. And then just keep stirring. Just keep stirring. Okay, so that was a full 2 cups of milk, and it's starting to look like gravy right now. We haven't seasoned it yet, but that's what you want it to look like. And here's the seasoning. We got a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of sage, a half a teaspoon of cayenne, and a teaspoon of salt. Be careful with your salt. You don't want to add too much salt because we're going to add a little broth in here, better than chicken bouillon in here, about a teaspoon of that, and that has salt in it as well. And so we're developing different flavor profiles here. You've got the heat, you've got a little salt, you've got the broth from the chicken bouillon, and so this turned out really good. And you can see here, you could definitely, and there's that quarter cup of half and half that I added at the end. And so right here, you can see you could basically stop right here and do a chicken fried steak or chicken fried chicken and just use that as gravy. But we didn't do that. We're making a country sausage gravy, and we're going to use biscuits as well. In the future, we're going to do a biscuit recipe and attach it to this. We just thought this was good enough right now, just so you can learn it. I really want you guys to try this. This was really delicious, better than expected.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Now we're adding in the protein, which was the pork sausage and the bacon, and we're adding it back in here. And you can see right here, this is just about the money shot right here, because we're garnishing it with the parsley and the green onions before we actually plate it. But again, thank you for watching our channel, and we appreciate everybody who's subscribing, who's leaving comments, giving us a thumbs up. It really encourages us. And you can see we cooked it all the way down here, and it's ready to serve.
3, 2, 1.
So we sliced the biscuits in half and then just plated it. And you can serve it this way, or you can certainly make a full-blown breakfast with the eggs and the bacon, or maybe some home fries, something like that. We'll show you that in another video, but we actually have made all those things on the channel, so we'll leave some cards up as well. But thank you for watching. Plate it. We'll see you next time. And boy, was it good. When I tried it, I had to go back twice.